Hi everyone, it's Renee Akromah. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you're gonna see that this is like a prep for my vacation that I'm going on. In this clip, I'm showing you guys a birthday party we had for my mom last week. It's just a cute little setup we had, and now we're gonna sing happy birthday. So after this wonderful party, I got my hair done on Sunday. I got some knotless braids. Here they are. So we're gonna jump to Wednesday. My sister and I did a little shopping at a hair store. And then we decided to go get some food. My day. On Friday, my sister and I got our nails done at this bomb nail salon in Brampton. We were so pleased with the results. You'll see my sister here in the background. They did such an amazing job. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Period. So I have packed basically my clothes. I'm kind of worried. Like, I feel like there's more I want to take, but because it's a carry-on bag, can't really take that much. I'm gonna add some more stuff here. So far I have my Nike cap, I have sunglasses in there. I have everything in there. Jacket, because it's pretty cool there. I have some sweaters. That's what's taking up most of the space. I'm gonna try and pack another one because, yeah, there's a lot going on. So yeah, let me try and figure this out. Hey guys, so we are currently just about to head out to get a few last minute stuff. We realized when we were looking at the booking information that we have to keep our liquid items all in one bag, and they have to be in a certain amount. It has to be a certain amount. So we were gonna bring full size stuff, but since we paid for carry-on, we're gonna have to put them into containers. So we're just gonna go to the dollar store and buy some containers. We need also some squeezy bottles for our soaps because we were gonna bring a full-size bottle, but that won't work. So yeah, she's just quickly going upstairs to lock the door. Yeah, so we're gonna go do that. Yeah, I need to make sure gas is in my car. I'm leaving behind here with my mom. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So next time you see me, I'll be in the dollar store. Yeah, stay tuned. We need something like that, right? Wait. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. Super sick. I'm super into the whole... Yeah, this is nice. It unravels and everything. I'm not a fan of the color on the outside, but... Oh, and it has a hanger. That's sick. It looks like we found the bag. Mom, can I see it? Show the vlog. We're using this Kendall and Kylie, so I guess we're supporting Kendall and Kylie. By the way, guys, this is my mid outfit of the day. Very relaxed. And it looks like we're looking around. Oh, that's so cute. It's Patrick from SpongeBob.
I like it.
Ooh, I see NARS.
I like this.
What is this exactly? Ooh, it's a blush. Is that Orgasm and something? What is that? It's a duo, and that's looking like Orgasm, but I don't know. And they sell what? Sometimes I'm a little iffy about that one, cause yeah. Ooh, this is cute. When I tell y'all, they always got the stuff on clutch. Literally, that's really pretty.
Look at this one.
Okay, yeah, Mom, my bag is full. I can't pack that. Oh, look at these beach cover-ups. So apparently we might make use of the swimming pool at the hotel, but honestly, I didn't pack anything like, you know, it's not that type of vacation for me personally. So I didn't pack that. Mom, look at this. Look at this. Steve Madden travel. It comes with a hat. And I don't know what that is, a beach cover-up. They have it in different look. That is sick. That's actually really sick.
had to come.
Yeah, it comes with the hat that you just bought off Shein. Yeah, and like a beach cover up. Yeah, look, a wrap. This is all the stuff it comes with. A scrunchie, a hat, and the thing. If you see my mom's face right now. Yeah. Guys, you don't understand. My mom bought like 5 hats off of Shein because she was been wanting this big sun hat. So there's some in there. And she's also going to be traveling soon. She's going for a funeral in New Jersey. So, yeah. Interesting times. Ooh, lighting. This would be perfect thumbnail. But, oh my, look. There's hats over here. Look. She's going to be so mad. She's going to be mad. Like, there's actual hats here. But Shein's were cheaper. Look at that. Shein's were cheaper. Shein was way cheaper. We got all of the hats for that price, so that's where Shein. Ooh, look at the glasses. The place we're going to is not a very sunny place. I don't even know if I mentioned where I'm going. I'm terrible at this. So we are going to Calgary first. Then we're going to Banff. Then we're going to Vancouver. So we're gonna spend a night in Calgary. Then we're going to Banff. So we'll spend a night also in Banff. And then we have to return back to Calgary and go to Vancouver. Take a flight and go to Vancouver. That's a cute bag. That's a very cute bag that you're not getting. So put back. Put it back. Anyways, yes, so that's where we're going. So it's not really that warm apparently during this time in all those places. So it's not that trip. So I didn't really pack any tropical cute outfits. The nails are giving tropical because, you know, you gotta be extra. But the place we're going to is not tropical. But I did bring shades. I did bring a few outfits that could kind of give off that vibe because, you know, I can't come and kill myself. And obviously we got the braids. Yeah, you guys will get all the details in this vlog. But yeah, I'm super excited. We're leaving tonight, guys. Like, I don't know if it's hitting here that we're leaving, but yeah, we're leaving tonight, 10:15 on the dot. And when we go on the trip, we're going back in time, which is gonna be super weird and funny. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep browsing around, get the little last minute stuff. Trying to find this container so we can put our lotions in. I can't seem to find it. Currently at the dollar store. I'm not used to this dollar store, so yeah, I'm just trying to find this item. I found the containers we need for our cream and for these guys. So yeah, we're good. We have a little bit of sanitizer and stuff and masks.